Hello, in today's video we're gonna change the transmission fluid in a 2011 Ford Fusion. The engine is the 2.5 liters. The transmission is the 6F35. The first thing that we're gonna do is take away this cover. There are several screws. I think the socket that we need to use is at 10 millimeters. Okay, now without the cover we have access to the drain plug, which is this one. Let's remove this and drain the fluid. Once there is no more oil coming out, we're gonna clean a little bit. Clean this area a little bit. It's gonna help us after to check if we have or not a leak. That's why I think it's important to do this. Now let's apply some thread sealant to the plug. And to tighten the drain plug, the torque specification is 9 foot-pound. Okay, now it's time to put transmission fluid in the transmission. Just a couple notes. In this kind of transmission, which as I said is the 6F35, you cannot replace the transmission fluid filter. It's a fixed part within the transmission. And because of this, I would recommend make this service every 30,000 miles, no more than that. And the second note will be the fluid that needs to be used is this one. It's the American LB. Not all the transmission fluids are compatible with this transmission, so just be sure that you are using the right one. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pour maybe 2 or 3 quarters, turn on the engine, let it warm up. We'll start to check the level and keep going until we reach the optimum level. This is the second quarter, third quarter, and I'm gonna go ahead with one more. Total 4 before turn on the engine. This is the fourth. What we're gonna do now is turn on the engine, let it warm up a little bit. Also, I'm gonna show you guys some procedure that we need to do with the shifter. Okay, now that the engine is warm enough, as we can see in the cluster, having our parking brake on and pressing the brakes pedal, we're gonna move the shifter through reverse, neutral, drive, all of those, and we're gonna hold on in each of those 5 seconds. Once we reach the L, we're gonna do the same, going backwards until we reach parking again. Hold on 5 seconds. Neutral, 5 seconds. 5 seconds again. Five seconds again. 5 seconds again. We're gonna go to check the fluid level again. Most likely we're gonna need to pour more, and after that we're gonna take out the car to drive a little bit. I will say like maybe 10-20 minutes, and after that we will go back and check the level again. Fully with that, our transmission is going to have the right amount of fluid. We will check if there are leaks or not, and we will be almost done. We need to put more fluid. As we can see here, now that the engine is warm, we cannot even see any level at all. So let's start to pour until we can see it here. I just put 6 quarters of transmission fluid in this transmission. Let's check again the level. It has the right amount, but what we need to do next is go out and drive the car. I would say like for 10, 15, 20 minutes, and then check the level again. So far it's behaving fine. The transmission is shifting smooth. Okay, we dropped the car already, so let's check the level again. Still showing on level, so I am not gonna pour anymore. Even if this car took that amount of fluid, check yours. Finally, we're gonna check if there are leaks or not. Okay, once we check that there are no leaks, the final step will be place back the cover that goes beneath the engine. With this, we're done. Thank you.